Right, everybody, we're going to just have a quick look at using our graphics calculator to calculate some of these probabilities. So here's my graphics calculator, or my computer pretending to be a graphics calculator. And I'm going to have a little look at what distributions, probabilities I can calculate. So on my calculator, I'm going to go to the menu and I'm going to choose number 2, which is statistics. So I get this table, but I get these options along here. And this is the one I want. It's called distributions, D-I-S-T. Lines up with F5, so I push F5. Now I've got some choices. So we're going to learn through this unit about the normal distribution, the binomial distribution, and one more over here called the Poisson distribution. But for today, we're starting with the binomial. So that lines up with F5. So we're going to push F5. We've got a few choices here. We've got binomial particular, binomial cumulative, and inverse, so going backwards. So we're just going to worry about today is binomial particular. Later exercises, we'll look at this one. So let's choose that button for now. Okay, now it's asking me where I want to get my information from. Have I got numbers in a list somewhere? No, I don't. So I'm going to choose F2, which says I'm going to put the numbers in myself. Okay. So let's pretend we are throwing a coin in the air, and we're going to throw it in this coin in the air 6 times, and we're going to see how many heads we can get. So I'm wanting to know what's the probability of getting all 6 heads. So I'm going to come down to this line and I'm going to make it 6. Now, I know how many times I'm tossing the coin. I'm tossing it 6 times. And I know the probability. The probability of tossing a coin and getting a head or a tail is 0.5. We've got a 50-50 chance of getting one or the other. Okay, so once I've got all that information in there, I can execute. So this is telling me the probability of me tossing a coin 6 times and getting all 6 being heads is 0.015. So I've got about a 1 chance in 100, maybe a 1.5 chances in 100 of getting all 6 heads. All right, so I'm going to repeat that and see what happens if I want to get maybe 3 heads. So I'm going to change this number to 3. How many heads do I want? What's my hopeful outcome? What am I after? I'm after 3 heads. I'm still tossing the coin 6 times. I'm still got a 50-50 chance of getting a head or a tail. So away I go. So now it's telling me I've got a 31% chance of getting 3 heads if I toss my coin 6 times. Given that it's a nice coin, given I've got a nice motion, and given that it's a very fair coin, 50-50 chance. Right, let's try another thing here. So I'm going to change some of these numbers. All right, so I'm going to think about rolling a dice now. So there's 6 different things that can happen on my dice. I want to roll 10 dice, and I'm going to see how many 6s I get on my dice. Okay, so I'm going to see what's the chance of me rolling my 10 dice and getting 5 6s coming up. So what do I want? I want 5 6s to happen. Oh, how many trials are there? There's 10 dice that I'm rolling. And what's the probability of a 6? Well, if my dice is fair, then the probability should be 1 out of 6. Okay, because there are 6 sides on my dice. There's only one thing that I want to happen, that's the number 6 to come up, and I'm hoping for 5 of them. So what's that probability? I've got a 13% chance of getting 5 6s. Not very much chance at all. Right, let's try it again and let's see if I could actually get all 10 being 6s. Okay, so I'm going to roll my 10 dice. I want all 10 to be 6s. The probability of a 6 is 1 over 6, or 0.16666. So if I go ahead with that, I've got a really not much chance at all. I've got 8 zeros, and then I've got that number there. So that number's, for all intents purposes, 6. 0. Right, let's try one more. I'm going to roll all 10 dice, and I want to see what's the probability that I get no 6s at all. Okay, so I roll my dice, and the probability of that is 16%. So there's a reasonable chance that I will get no 6s. I'm guessing somewhere about 1 or 2 is the highest chance. So I'll do one very last one here. I'll try 2, and that's got a 30% chance of happening. Right, so where are we? Let's go back through those steps again. I'm in the menu. I've gone to statistics mode, and once I'm inside statistics mode, I've chosen distributions, binomial, and a particular value. Binomial particular distribution. So I've chosen that one. I chose variable because I want to enter the numbers. I don't want them to come from a list. And then after that, it's just putting the right numbers in the right places and seeing what probability is given to me. All right, thanks very much. Good luck with the exercise, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Signing off video, and